morning. And we're live.
All right, how's it going? Today,
we are gonna find a
secret waterfall.
A hidden secret waterfall.
We don't know where it is, other than that it's in Leverett.
And
That's
8 minutes from our house. We have sort of vague.
We have a vague idea. We're gonna look it up on Google Maps.
We're gonna check out the
zoom
Google,
in on the maps.
the G maps.
We're just gonna look up some basic directions, check it out, get in the car,
and just kind of drive around.
And then we're gonna go.
And we're gonna take you guys with us.
You're gonna get to see a secret waterfall we've never been to before.
Also, while Ezra is researching that, look at my orchid. It is letting out a stem. What is it called? It's a little flower shoot. I forget what it's called exactly. And my other one has little blossoms coming. I was sad because it was blooming already. Well, this one was blooming. And it had a whole bunch. And then they all fell off, except for one. But now more are growing back, so it makes me really happy. And I'm excited to see more grow, because I love orchids and they're really difficult to grow and take care of. But now, thanks to Ezra's dad, he told me I actually just have to water them a 1/4 cup of water every week and they'll be fine. So if you guys have orchids, that's how you take care of them. And this one, like, this is crazy. This one was almost dead. It like was not happy, did not like itself, didn't like its life. But it's good now. Yay. Alright, what do you think, guys?
Alright, we're right here. We're just gonna go up here, go over here, down here, over there, and then it's one of these. Oh, Gun Cross Road. It's on Gun Cross Road. There's this, see this blue? That's all water.
So there must be a waterfall.
We heard there was a secret little dirt road. It might even be that one.
Didn't you say you have to go up, like...
Oh, maybe you have to go up here.
Wait, go up?
Oh, go up here.
I think you have to go up through here.
Well...
Because you go up 47 coming through here, and then you come in through here. Because you can't get to it this way.
That's why we're going to go do this adventure, because it's not on the map.
And
it's a mystery.
It's secret, because it's like somewhere in that area, but we don't know. But there is water all around. So.
This is the Connecticut River, so there's a lot. This is a little inlet flowing in. There's this. You know, we're going to take some water adventures. We like water. We're water people. Yeah.
All right.
All right, let's get to it. Suba's getting ready for the adventure.
Gotta put those layers on.
That's right.
All the layers.
All the layers.
This feels really tight. I might wear my other thing.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna put pants on.
I got my hat on. This is the part where I wait, because I got ready extremely fast. All I did was put a jacket on and a hat. See? Jacket. Got my sneakers on. My nice warm hat. Oh, there's the wave poster. Yeah. Cool. And we're done. Action.
I'm ready.
Suba's ready.
Got my pants, got my gloves, got my layers, got my Patagonia.
Yeah.
And my sick jacket that I bought for very cheap.
Check out the boots. Nice boots.
They're broken, but
that's alright, we can't see. Nobody can tell.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Quick.
Too much excitement.
I know, it's so fun. Woo, it's beautiful out.
Yay.
We're getting in the car. All right. Love this car. Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Waterfall.
I'm excited to see it.
I'll turn the seat warmer on too. Right here. Oh, somebody's coming. Yeah, it's so beautiful out too. Check that out. Sunny sky. Oh my God, everybody's just going somewhere today.
Because it's so nice out.
It's beautiful. I wish I didn't have to go to work later.
It's nice for Massachusetts in November.
Nice.
No, it's December actually. Just kidding. Happy December.
Happy December.
Yay.
Woo! Da-da-da. That's what our brand new road looks like. Hello. Thanks, Massachusetts. We love you.
It's a great state.
Oh,
we have Elizabeth Warren.
I met Elizabeth Warren. I shook her hand.
Yeah,
check my Instagram for that.
Just rolling. Just nice. glorious dirt road. Maybe
Doesn't water have to come down from the river? Like,
I feel like that might be it.
alright,
Alright, here's the road, I think. We think, we're not sure.
we're gonna try it out.
Just turn around because we passed it, but like... Alright, we're digging these rocks. It's pretty cool.
Anybody have a 4-wheel drive car we can borrow?
Okay, whoops, we like went down someone's driveway. But it looked
They didn't
really...
see, it's okay.
It looks very much like it could be a hidden driveway for a waterfall. Again, we don't know where we're going.
It's hot.
It's hidden, so this is kind of hard. But I think we now know where it is.
Alright, so this could be it. We have no idea. So we're just gonna walk up.
I'm gonna try it, because like, what else are we gonna do?
Still walking up here. No sign of a waterfall.
It just goes to show this is not rehearsed. We have
This
no
is
idea.
real. We really have no idea where we're going
live.
right now.
But
There could be a waterfall right there.
it's nice to walk.
It's interesting. It's interesting. It's nice to get out and get some fresh air. Get out of the car for a bit, you know, clear our minds. We are surrounded by woods. Yes.
Made it back to the car because that wasn't it.
Turns out that wasn't it. But we got a nice hike in.
That was a nice walk.
Pretty nice,
but
yeah.
that totally was not it.
Definitely not it.
So-
But I think we have a pretty good idea of where to go now. Just right up the road, take a left.
So we think.
So we think.
Stay tuned.
Sounds like a waterfall.
Will it be a waterfall?
There's a Jeep right here.
Is this it?
How could this be it? So it's a secret. Oh, that's it! Woo! We were literally just about to give up. We were in the car. Like, should we just go home?
We literally came down this road, but we drove past it. Yay!
Sweet victory. Oh, sweet victory. Ah, water.
We did it.
Yeah.
That was hard. That was a challenge.
Boom. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it was... What? Are you gonna jump?
Oh my god, there's more!
Oh!
Nice jump.
This log looks a bit rotten, but I'll risk it.
Oh god. That's awesome. It looks so beautiful. Wow, it's like an enchanted waterfall. I love it. It's amazing. So cool. We really almost gave up because we couldn't find it, but it was just right here, like so close. We would have just left and it was right there. Yeah. We did it!
We did it! We're here.
We really didn't think this was gonna happen. Well, actually I knew it would happen, but we almost gave up.
We almost gave up and we were sitting right there.
Right there, we're just driven home.
Just shows you.
It's so beautiful. It looks like an enchanted, magical waterfall for fairies and stuff.
It sounds so good too.
I know.
It's such a relaxing sound. And the sun's coming in through the trees so nicely.
I know. Adventures with Ezra and Suba.
Adventures with Ezra and Suba.
Yeah. That's awesome. Let's go higher. One more level to climb. So we like climbed up to the top of it, the very top, and it was this like mystical, magical fairy waterfall, but it's coming out of this tube thing. But
Yeah,
it's
this
because
is strange
on the
too.
map,
This is Gun Cross Road. We were actually driving right by here.
it's kind of
And
weird
we
because it like,
didn't
look
know
at the little
that this was all
sudsies.
here. Oh yeah, there's little suds here. Kind of strange. This could be runoff from something.
Aw, it's
Nice
so weird how
reflection though. But yeah, it's all very Interesting.
I wish that humans could coincide with nature better in a more synchronized way, because I feel like it's so separate. If we just do things that harm nature, not really. You know what I mean? Like this. Like, what if this was a better pipe that didn't look like shit and wasn't all rusty? That'd be a lot better. But maybe it's clean and fine. I'm not a water engineer, but it seems a little strange. But the waterfall is still really pretty, and there's a whole natural habitat down there that seems to be fine. And moss filters things out, and so do rocks. This nature's awesome like that, so I don't know. Well, that was amazing.
We're back.
So fun. We're back. We have to go. Ezra has to go to work.
I have to go to work.
But it's okay. That was amazing. So fun.
That was so awesome. So cool. If you're ever in Sunderland,
that's where you should
by.
go.
That's the place.
See if you can find it faster than we can, though.
Yes.
All
See
right.
if you can find it. We found it. Yay.
We did it. Okay,
Now
everyone.
we're going home.
Have an awesome week. We'll see you next time on
See you
another
next
adventure. We'll see what we're up to next. Bye.